A food handler stores raw chicken on the top shelf of a refrigerator above ready-to-eat salads. What is the main food safety risk? A. Cross-contamination from dripping juices. B. Reduced shelf life of the chicken. C. Improper humidity control. D. Flavor absorption into salads. Answer: A. Raw poultry must always be stored below ready-to-eat foods because juices can drip and contaminate food that will not be cooked again, posing a high salmonella risk. Which of the following temperatures represents the correct internal cooking temperature for ground beef? A. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. B. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius. C. 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius. D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. Answer: C. Ground beef requires a minimum internal temperature of 155 degrees Fahrenheit for 17 seconds to destroy pathogens such as E. coli O157, H7. What should a manager do if a food handler reports diarrhea and was diagnosed with Shigella infection? A. Exclude the worker until cleared by a medical practitioner. B. Reassign them to dishwashing. C. Allow them to work wearing gloves. D. Allow them to work in non-food contact areas. Answer: A. Shigella is a reportable illness. Employees must be excluded from the operation until they provide medical clearance to prevent fecal-oral contamination. Which surface sanitizer concentration ensures effectiveness without chemical residue? A. 50 ppm chlorine. B. 100 ppm iodine. C. 200 ppm quaternary ammonium. D. Any high concentration for 10 seconds. Answer: C. A quaternary ammonium concentration of around 200 ppm provides optimal sanitization without leaving residues or damaging surfaces. When cooling a large pot of soup, what is the maximum time allowed to reach 70 degrees Fahrenheit 21 degrees Celsius? A. 1 hour. B. 2 hours. C. 4 hours. D. 6 hours. Answer: B. Food must cool from 135 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit within 2 hours and from 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit within an additional 4 hours to stay out of the temperature danger zone. Which of these foods requires a consumer advisory if served raw? A. Fresh cut lettuce. B. Sushi made with raw fish. C. Pasteurized milk. D. Roasted peanuts. Answer: B. Foods containing raw or undercooked animal products, such as sushi, must include a consumer advisory to inform customers of associated risks. The best method to calibrate a bimetallic stem thermometer uses: A. Ice water method at 32 degrees Fahrenheit 0 degrees Celsius. B. Hot oil method at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. C. Tap water at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. D. Salt solution at 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer: A. The ice point method provides a reliable 32 degrees Fahrenheit reference for calibration, ensuring thermometer accuracy before use. What is the safest way to thaw frozen shrimp? A. Leave at room temperature for 2 hours. B. Submerge under running 70 degrees Fahrenheit water. C. Microwave and refreeze immediately. D. Place on top shelf of dry storage. Answer: B. Running potable water at 70 degrees Fahrenheit or lower allows controlled thawing while preventing bacterial growth. Which foodborne illness is most commonly linked with raw oysters? A. Norovirus. B. Salmonella. C. Staphylococcus aureus. D. Clostridium perfringens. Answer: A. Raw or undercooked shellfish, especially oysters, are a major source of norovirus and Vibrio infections. Why must a food contact surface be cleaned and sanitized after handling raw meat? A. To prevent spoilage odors. B. To remove allergens only. C. To eliminate potential cross-contamination. D. To comply with cosmetic standards. Answer: C. Cleaning removes debris, and sanitizing kills pathogens left by raw meat, preventing cross-contamination with ready-to-eat foods. Which condition promotes the fastest bacterial growth? A. pH below 4.6. B. Temperature between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. C. Water activity below 0.5. D. Lack of nutrients. Answer: B. The temperature danger zone, 41 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, supports rapid bacterial growth, doubling populations every 20 minutes under ideal conditions. Which step is most important before accepting a shipment of raw seafood? A. The supplier's truck cleanliness. B. The temperature of the delivery. C. The size of the packaging. D. The logo of the brand. Answer: B. Seafood must be delivered at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Temperature abuse can lead to histamine toxin formation, which is irreversible by cooking. What is the maximum cold holding temperature for a salad bar? A. 32 degrees Fahrenheit 0 degrees Celsius. B. 38 degrees Fahrenheit 3 degrees Celsius. C. 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius. D. 45 degrees Fahrenheit 7 degrees Celsius. Answer: C. Cold TCS foods must be held at or below 41 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent bacterial growth during service. Which handwashing step is often skipped by food handlers? A. Rinsing. B. Scrubbing for 10 to 15 seconds. C. Drying. D. Applying soap. Answer: B. Many handlers do not scrub long enough. Friction for at least 10 to 15 seconds is essential to remove oils and microbes. When using the 3-compartment sink, which compartment holds sanitizer? A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. None. Answer: C. The third compartment always holds the sanitizing solution. Washing and rinsing occur in the first and second sinks, respectively. What is the first step when a foodborne illness complaint is received? A. Call local media. B. Document the complaint details. C. Discard all food immediately. D. Fire the suspected employee. Answer: B. Detailed documentation allows management and health authorities to trace and investigate the possible contamination source accurately. A thermometer probe must be sanitized after: A. Each shift. B. Each use with a different food. C. Once per hour. D. Only when dirty. Answer: B. Sanitizing after each use prevents transferring pathogens between different food types, maintaining safety and accuracy. What is the best way to prevent allergen cross-contact? A. Use the same utensils after rinsing. B. Store allergen-free food below allergens. C. Use dedicated equipment for allergen-free items. D. Avoid labeling allergens. Answer: C. Dedicated utensils and prep areas for allergen-free food prevent accidental transfer of allergenic proteins to other foods. A label reading, "Keep refrigerated," on a TCS food means it must be stored at A. 45 degrees Fahrenheit or below. B. 41 degrees Fahrenheit or below. C. Any cool temperature. D. Below freezing. Answer: B. TCS foods must be refrigerated at or below 41 degrees Fahrenheit to inhibit bacterial growth and maintain safety. The best way to verify a chemical sanitizer's strength is to A. Smell the solution. B. Check with pH paper. C. Use a test kit for concentration. D. Ask another employee. Answer: C. Test kits are the only accurate method to confirm sanitizer concentration is within the effective and safe range. Food handlers should remove aprons when A. Changing gloves. B. Leaving the prep area. C. Washing hands. D. Working with non-TCS food. Answer, B. Aprons can carry contaminants from prep areas. They must be removed before leaving to prevent spreading bacteria. Why should single-use gloves never be washed or reused? A. It weakens the glove material and allows contamination. B. It saves water but increases sanitizer use. C. Gloves shrink when exposed to soap. D. It's not required by law. Answer, A. Rewashing or reusing gloves causes microscopic tears, allowing microorganisms to pass through and contaminate food. The final rinse temperature in a high-temperature dish machine must reach A. 150 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 160 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 165 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer, D. The final sanitizing rinse must reach at least 180 degrees Fahrenheit at the manifold to effectively sanitize utensils and dishes. Which of the following requires a variance from the regulatory authority? A. Serving packaged snacks. B. Sprouting seeds in-house. C. Cooking chicken to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. D. Freezing seafood for storage. Answer, B. Sprouting seeds poses bacterial growth risks, requiring a variance and a HACCP plan due to their high contamination potential. What is the safest way to handle a food recall notice? A. Mix recalled items with new stock. B. Immediately discard all similar products. C. Label and isolate the recalled product from inventory. D. Continue to sell until replacement arrives. Answer, C. Recalled items must be clearly labeled and kept separate from food inventory until the supplier or regulatory body provides disposal instructions.